ndagira ngo mutangire mwumva neza ibyo uyu mugabo agiye kubabwira.
I am telling you this because there are people who are called the pioneers of Pi network mining.
Ndababwira ibi kuko hari abantu bitwa aba pioneer bamayininze Pi network.
They have a goal.
Haha, ngo bari bafite intego. Kandi ngo buri
They believe in what they are not sure.
Ngaba ba pioneer ngo bizeye mu bintu batari bazi, batari banizeye ko bizagera ku ntsinzi. Ibaze kuba abantu bakwizera ibintu batari bazi neza.
Will lead them to their dreams, but they are not wrong because what they have been fighting for more than 5 years, they are going to achieve it. It's just
aba ba pioneer ngo bakoze imyaka irenga 5 bakora umushinga bawumayininga batazi neza kuzagera ku ntsinzi. Ibaze kugira ngo abantu bakore ikintu bamayininga ikintu batazi iherezo ryacyo.
that there are those who are depressed, and that's how life requires reconciliation.
Nyamara ngo hari abantu ngo babipinze, ba abantu bajya bapinga, ngo hari abantu bapinze uyu mushinga barangije barawirengagiza. Hari abantu bajya birengagije umushinga, kandi ngo umushinga ari umushinga ukomeye.
Pi network has now reached the final phase, which
Pi network ngubu ngigeze nguri kuri phase ya nyuma.
Is the open mainnet phase, where they are waiting for them to finish that phase and tell them what will happen.
Ngaho iyi phase ngo ni phase ya nyuma, aho ngo bategereje kugira ngo iyi phase bayirangize kugira ngo babamenyeshe
The next, including TGE, which is the token generation event, and they will announce the number of coins that will be.
Ngo iyi phase ya nyuma irimo ikintu bita TGE. TGE ni token generation event, ni igihe za coin mwamayininze baba bagiye gutangaza total supply, ngo ndi kuvuga ingano y'umubare wa coin zaba ziri ku isoko. Ahangaha ngo ni naho bazashyiraho igihe ngizagera ku isoko.
On the market, the listing, and they will announce the markets that will trade that currency and the price and value of that currency for the Pi network project.
Bivuze ko iyi phase ya nyuma ariho tuzamenya igihe cyangwa se amasoko tuzabikuraho izi coin. Bibutse ko kuyikurabamo ko yuko ufatizo wari ufite kuri balance ukawazohereza nko ku exchange.
Thank you and remember to subscribe.
Guys, mwibuke gusubscribinga ku buryo muzajya mubona video zitandukanye zibabwira kuri Pi network. Murakoze, ndabashimiye. Imana ibarinde.